Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan if you guys are new here, and today's video is going to be all about the new Women's Best Renew collection that will be launching on the 29th of March, which is on Monday. And I'm hoping to get this up before then. It will be launching at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and I'll have all the other time zones and when it's launching somewhere here or in the description box below. But today's video is just going to be an honest and raw first impressions and try on video of the collection. I still have everything in the bags. The only thing I've put on so far, like just now, was the sports bra. So everything that I kind of talk about will be a first impression, and then I'll have a voiceover of once I wear it, put it on, my thoughts on it. So super excited for this video, and I hope that you guys are excited for this new launch. I can already tell that there has been so many major changes and adjustments to make this collection as amazing as it could be for everybody. So firstly, I wanted to talk about why they named the collection Renew, because I think that the backstory behind it is amazing. His best main goal with this collection was to kind of help women, you know, renew their confidence, their ability to get into the gym, renew their workout routine, renew their journey, whatever it may be. The word renew means more than just a new sportswear line. So I really thought that was super cute. And for anybody that is trying to get into health and fitness, getting new workout clothes is definitely 10 out of 10 way to get you motivated to go to the gym. I know when I started my journey and I started to get really serious about it, I bought so much activewear, and it really does get you pumped to go to the gym. It makes you feel way more confident, and that's all that this collection is about. So within this collection, they will be launching sports bras, long sleeve quarter zips, as well as some leggings. And there's going to be 5 colors in this collection, and their goal with the colors was to make them a bit more calm. Obviously, this is all about being comfortable in the gym, so they didn't go for any crazy colors. They're coming in frosted lilac, which I'm wearing right now, chalk gray, moonlight navy, which I'll show you guys later, mud green, which I definitely want to get my hands on, and the black shade. So just for reference before we start, basically in all leggings and bottoms from Women's Best, I'm a size small. In shorts, I'm typically like a size small or medium. Sports bras, I go for an extra small, and for any of the hoodies or tops, I either go for a small or medium. And I will state what I got in these pieces, and I'll put them down below as well so you guys can see my sizing for that. And I'll have my measurements on the screen right now as well as in the description box below for more of a reference. And as always, if you guys ever have questions about anything that's launching, anything supplement related, anything like that from Women's Best, I'm always here to answer them. And I love getting DMs from you guys or order confirmations from you guys just to know what you guys kind of got or what I could do to help you guys with your purchases. And it's super fun when you guys get your packages and you guys send me pictures and your new stuff. So if this video helped you guys at all to get anything, please feel free to message me and tell me, because it really makes my day to know that. So without further ado, let's get into the actual product. First and foremost, I want to talk about the bras, because I feel like this is the best bra that Women's Best has to offer to this day. I am so impressed with the improvements and adjustments that were made to this bra. So something that I really do like about this collection is that it offers more coverage for those of you guys who don't really love just your yitties flying everywhere or a lot of skin out. So I do like that this bra is a higher neckline, and then here it has a bit of a longer band. I feel like it goes a little longer, and the higher neckline is very flattering. And then I feel like this bra has made so many improvements from the other bras, so I would say it has much higher support and compression. Like, I feel locked into this bra. I can tell that the new padding is going to be so much better. They got new bra cups, which are going to be great because you don't want them to get wrinkly, you want them to keep their shape, and I can tell that this is going to. And then I love that it's an all seamless material, and then in the back it has crisscrossing, which helps with increased support. And I like the thicker straps because, again, that helps with increased support. I keep saying it's compressive, but I do want to note that it doesn't feel uncomfortably compressive. I know some bras can do that. This is the perfect balance of a bra, and I would say that I typically am a size small in other brand bras, but in Women's Best, I like to go down to an extra small, and this fits me perfectly. Additionally, in the back, it has a lovely cutout, which is very flattering, and also just helps with ventilation because I know a lot of people get super sweaty. I definitely think all around this is like my favorite Women's Best bra ever. I can just tell that they took a lot of time and effort to make some adjustments to make this as comfortable and great for everybody in every workout style. So here we have the bra in Moonlight Navy. This is a lovely navy blue shade. I just think it is so freaking cute. So as you guys can see, it is nice and long, and I love that these straps are thicker. It still has like a racer back feel, but it has this cutout in the back, so it's not like straight racer back. It still has a lot of prettiness to it when it's on the body, and I think it's very flattering, especially for like a back day and upper body day. And then, as I said, they really improved this band down here. It is so stretchy yet compressive, so you definitely feel locked in, which I really like. So next I want to talk about the long sleeve tops. Women's Best doesn't have anything like this, which I really think is super cool that they're incorporating this. And again, it's going back to the idea of renew for people who want to get into some new activewear and maybe just want to be as comfortable as they can be. So they're offering some full coverage tops and bras. I really like this concept, and so I'm super excited for people to get their hands on this specifically. With it becoming like kind of spring weather, this is still perfect because it's more lightweight. So you can wear this over before you go to the gym or at the gym, or just for lounging. I'm super excited to just wear this out and about. So it offers a quarter zip detail here that you can just easily zip up and down, and so you can leave it unzipped for a more flattering look or zip it all the way up for more comfort. And it just has a really small Women's Best logo with it, which I really like and appreciate that their logoing on this is a lot more minimal. I really like that they kind of downsize the logo size. I think it's very cute. And it's just a all-around seamless material. And then I really like that in the arms it has these little ventilation holes and a little bit more ribbing on the ends, along with a little thumb strap for your thumb to come out of. And then in the back it just says Women's Best, really small, again just minimal logo, and it's just your basic quarter zip. So I would say with this, the fabric is very stretchy, but it's gonna be nice and compressive, so I think it'll be really flattering. I haven't tried it on yet, but I definitely think if you wanted to, you could size up if you wanted a little bit looser. I got it in a size small, and I'm traditionally a size small in like all tops, so you'll see how it fits if you stick to your normal size once I try this on. Additionally, I like that it's more of an athletic cut, so it's gonna kind of taper you in and make you look super snatched and cute. And I really like that it has this paneling on the side as well. I think this is going to be very flattering on. But last but not least, probably the part everyone's waiting for, which is the leggings. So I'm going to start out with the frosted lilac color. I'm a really big fan of these. I can already tell that they're going to be super flattering and super comfortable on. So again, I love that they made their logo smaller. I think that's amazing. And then just some light, small holes for ventilation and just kind of for contouring and flattering purposes. I'm excited to see how this is on, and I think that it's going to be just super flattering but not too much. And then I like that they added this detail on the waistband because again it gives a nice illusion of a snatched waist. And I can tell that the waistband is super thick and compressive. This reminds me a lot of the camo seamless leggings from Women's Best, which are my favorite, because they have such a nice tapered and compressive waistband. This one seems even more compressive, which I'm super excited about, because that kind of feature in a waistband is what makes you look so snatched and so cute. And especially on a lower body day, you don't want a waistband that's fallen down. You want something that's gonna stay up. We don't want the butt coming out, ma'am. I really like that this is kept really simple, but they still did minimal designs to make it still cute. So also on one of the legs, they have a small Women's Best with more of the contouring. Additionally, here it is in the blue color. I will take a video of these two colors out in the light in the sun because I feel like the camera right now is not doing them justice, but it's the same thing. So some light contouring, small logo, tapered waist feature with a nice and compressive band. I'm very impressed with this band. And then obviously it offers a 4-way stretch, super duper stretchy, but still super compressive, and some nice ventilation holes. With the two colors that I have, I can tell that they're going to be swat proof. They're very thick in material. I feel like any of the colors will be swat proof because of the thickness of the material, but obviously swat proof varies from person to person. I think the only color that would maybe be of question is maybe the mud green, because that's the lightest color, but every other color is dark enough and thick enough in fabric that I think they will all be squat proof. Overall, I'm super duper excited for this collection. I can't wait to get my hands on more colors. This is probably my favorite Women's Best collection yet, and that's saying a lot because I do love Women's Best activewear, but I think that this one is just so thought through, so perfect for anybody, so compressive, so flattering. I love the minimal designs, super simple but super effective and super cute, and I love that they're offering more full body coverage for people who maybe just want more coverage. I love that the bra is more coverage, and I can tell that they just made a lot of adjustments to make sure that this collection was perfect. So I'm super duper excited for this launch, and I can't wait for everybody to get their stuff because I think that this will definitely be a favorite for a lot of people. As always, I did want to note that I do have a link with Women's Best, so if you guys shop through that link, it's of no cost to you, but it does give me a small commission and support my relationship with the brand. If you guys ever do use my link, please message me. I don't get to see who used my link or anything like that, but I do love to personally thank everybody and see what you guys got, and I love for you guys to send me pictures after you get them. A lot of people tag me in their stories, which I love to see, and so don't be shy to let me know. I really want to say thank you to everyone who supports me because it seriously means a lot, especially being in college. You guys don't know how much this means to me and supports me. So thank you guys if you guys choose to use my link. As far as how to find my link, it will be down in the description below, or you guys can follow me on Instagram, and in my Instagram link tree, my Women's Best link is in there too. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on these new pieces. Please feel free to let me know what you guys get if you guys get anything. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Bye!